Chief. It is my honor to present to you the School of tonight's campfire.
I can see that the program is well prepared. However, as the campfire chief, I have authority and privilege to stop any presentation that will tend to discredit or dishonor the dignity of our church, dignitaries and public officials, or desecrate the memories of our heroes. Likewise, it is my privilege to stop any and all vulgar incident presentations and or personification. However, as the campfire chief, I have not authority to stop any presentation. I designate you as the official master of the fire for tonight's campfire.
I promise to do my best.
Bos. Ayo lang. May daghang migas na. Ayo kung sakit ang one.
As the smoke rises, so the aims of the smoking movement. As the fire lights this video, so the aspiration of our scouts and leaders.
Na tayo no? Kita ka?
As this cloud turns to ashes, so do our setbacks and failures. As the heat spreads out around the circle, so does the spirit of scouting.
Ako.
As the campfire chief, I now declare this campfire program formally open.
Ayaw dito.
Master the fire, carry on.
Campfire's warning, campfire's warning. No near, no near. In the glowing, dancing and being merry. Campfire's warning, campfire's warning. No near, no near. In the glowing, dancing and being merry. presentation. I will invite